Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. I want to talk about a way to protect leather seats. One of the things I've talked about in the past is using Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish on leather. If you happen to have Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish in stock, you're enjoying that process, 2 thumbs up. I love it. It's one of the off-label uses I use for Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish on leather. I want to talk about something else. I've had thousands of people buy my DPC armor, my SIO2 spray. They said, Scott, it works great on the paint, exterior plastics, on glass. Did you have any off-label uses in mind when you created the product? Absolutely. One of the things I want to talk about is that the DPC Armor SIO2 silica spray, you can use it straight if you want it full strength, which is like 10% silicon dioxide. If you want to cut it in half, now you've got about 5% silicon dioxide within the formula. The formula was meant to be diluted if that was a desire of yours. So what I do, folks, for the thousands who bought this and said, Scott, what off-label uses do you have for your armor? I use it on leather, just like I use Meguiar's Ultimate Fast Finish on leather. So what I do, this is my new Infinity QX60 leather. The leather is clean. It is finished leather. It does have that protective plastic coating, if you will, on the leather. 95% of you who are watching this video most likely have finished coated leather, and this is the way I would do it. I take my armor and I split it 50-50 with distilled water. I knock it down to save some money. I don't, I mean, you can use it straight if you want, but using it at 50-50 is just as effective on the leather. What I do is just take a microfiber towel, just kind of shake this stuff up and spray it into the towel, couple spritz, and then I massage it into the leather. When you put it on the leather, you'll notice that there'll be a little shift in the color. Don't panic, that will kind of mild out or mellow out as you massage it into the leather. When you massage it into the leather, go ahead and buff over to your dry side of the microfiber towel and just lightly buff out. What you'll notice, it will not change the smell or the feel of leather or anything like that, but you will notice that you've put something on the leather, a little bit of a protective barrier. What's really great about using armor at 50-50 on leather, it will kind of diminish gene transfer dye. When we slide into our car and we get some blue stuff from our blue jeans on it, you'll notice that will diminish quite a bit. Or if you get some on there, it's very easy to clean off. It also makes the leather hydrophobic. Say you spilled some coffee, say you had, I have a daughter who likes to sit in the front seat with me. She likes her juices. If she spilled juice on this leather seat, that juice will kind of roll off the leather seat and not sit there and potentially stain that coating that's on the leather. It just makes it easier to clean in the future. So yes, for the thousands who bought my armor, there are multiple different off-label uses that you can use this product with. And on leather, it's great. I prefer it at 50-50. I want to save money, so that's the way I do it. And I probably do this to my leather seat. I haven't owned this car very long, but I would typically do this to my leather seats maybe every 3 or 4 months, and I'm good to go. That's pretty much all the protection I'm going to keep on the leather, as well as just make sure it stays clean over the next several years I own the car, and it'll be great. Appreciate it, guys. Just wanted to share that with you. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.